Hey guys, it's Angelica. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SoJourner Fanny Pack, and I will also be trying it on for you guys. SoJourner reached out to me and they wanted to collab, and they told me to pick out anything from their website, and I picked out their fanny pack. This fanny pack literally screams Angelica, and I'll tell you why. So this is what it looks like. I just got it in the mail. It came in this plastic bag. Let's open it up. Need to scoot this way. Ooh. Oh my gosh. It is so cute. Look at that. The color of this item is glitter holographic in black. I don't know why on my camera it's not showing up the holographic, but I'm gonna use my phone flash. Oh, you see that? That makes me so happy because if you guys know me, I love anything holographic. Just look at the color. Oh my gosh. Like, I always wear holographic things, and I feel like when I'm out in public and I'm in the sun, people are literally getting blind from the holographic things that I'm wearing. This is what the back looks like. So cute. I love how it changes colors. I just can't get over the color of it. I will link their product in the description, and I will also put their social media and website. Let me show you guys their listing on Amazon. They have a website and they also sell on Amazon. So this is what I got, and there are literally so many colors. So many. It was so hard for me to choose one. I love this one that I currently have. Oops. Oh yeah, here are the photos on Amazon, what it looks like. There's someone wearing it. I think I'm gonna wear it this way. It's pretty cool. I literally love this one as well. It has sequins on it, and it's black, and it's literally holographic too. Like, oh, and there's a gold side as well. On the tag, there's a tag here. On the tag it says fun style for music festivals, theme parks, working out, dog walking, hiking, travel, parties, biking, and running around town. Lightweight and comfortable, you'll hardly notice it's there. It has 3 zippers. And yeah, oh, also the zipper is multicolored, so that's pretty cool. There's also an adjustable strap. This is the first pocket. Pretty spacious. You guys can see what's inside. That's what it looks like. Let me see if I can fit my phone in here. My phone is an iPhone 12. It has a case on it. Oh wow, it fits. That's pretty cool. That's nice. This is the second pocket. It's bigger. Let's open it up. Oh wow, it's pretty big. Like, this is the size of my hand, literally. And that's their tag inside. It's so cute. And this is the back. When I open this zipper, the zipper is smaller than the front, but let's look inside. It's pretty spacious. You can fit a lot of stuff in here. It also shows their label on there, SoJourner. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm pretty sure I am. Yeah, it's so cute. Now I'm going to try on the fanny pack and show you guys what it looks like. thank you to SoJourner for sending me this product. I am definitely gonna wear it. I love it so much. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications to be notified every time I post. I will see you guys next time. Bye!